This is called a wraparound hinged knee brace. We're going to go over how to correctly put this on and off. The nice thing with this knee brace is you can unvelcro it and it totally opens up. The nice thing with this is you don't have to pull it up over your leg kind of like you would like a pair of socks or anything. You can actually put this on sitting and don't have to reach down and put it up over your foot. The nice thing with this is you can easily, as it entails in the name, wrap it around the leg. So it's got Velcro here. So we Velcro this on like so, on the top and on the bottoms. There's an opening here for your patella or your kneecaps. We want to make sure that that's sitting in here properly. If this was way too far up like this or too far down, and here's the knee, we want to reposition that. The nice thing is there's these little tabs here, so if it is off a little bit too low, you can take these, put your fingers in there, and pull it up. There's also joints or hinges on each side here, so we want to make sure that those are lined up with your knee correctly on both sides. Then we take these two straps, feed them through the chafes here, and we Velcro these back onto themselves like so. When we're wearing this knee brace, we always want to make sure we're wearing it against the bare skin. Never want to wear this over pants, anything like this, because it just slides and it doesn't purchase onto the leg as good. So as you can see, this is on Josh's leg. As far as taking it off, we reverse the process, unvelcro this, stick the Velcro back onto the straps. Do that for the top, the bottom, and then you can open this up, and it comes right apart. When you're done, usually I tell patients Velcro this back together just to keep it in one piece. Yeah, the nice thing with this is a neoprene material, very easy to clean, mild soap and water, or even like an alcohol spray with a brush or like cloth. That's how you put on a wraparound hinged knee brace.